Assalamualaikum. Folks, back on my channel. Today I just landed in Doha. It was at 2 p.m. and now I'm on my way to the immigration office to get free entrance visa. By the way, Qatar has a visa free for almost 80 countries. The process was super easy.
Okay. So
All
I
you
can
need to do
actually
is just
payment.
showing your passport and your next destination if you transit to Doha.
Okay, thank you.
Well, for people who have a connection flight for more than 12 hours, the immigration officer will asking you to book a hotel. The officer asked me to show the hotel reservation, but I didn't have any hotel reservation yet because my next flight was at 7 a.m. in the morning. Then I think I can just sleep in a car
Earn money
or some
because it's
area
quite easy.
at the airport. Then I move up from the line and try to make a reservation on booking.com. Then, once it is done, we just need to show the reservation that I've booked. And I canceled the hotel reservation after I passed the immigration office.
Many people come to
So,
Qatar just
I
for
don't think we
transit,
need to
right?
make an online visa though,
Yeah, many people come
because
to
it's
here
pretty
just
easy.
for transit,
Right
I
now,
think.
I'm heading up to get a
You can
car.
work.
Mostly
I
for
highly
the
recommend to
business
hire a
purpose.
car during your trip in Doha. It is like a shortcut to explore the city. Qatar
Nowadays it's a bit
is
less.
an oil country,
Before it's
so
too
do not
much
think
now.
about the gasoline price. Just burn it up. It's not gonna make your wallet empty because you don't need to deal with public transportation and so on. Just open your maps, drive the cars, and
So
boom, ready to go
when I
wherever
get
you
back the
want.
car and then I
Google
park the
Maps
car
in
around
Qatar
this
is
area and
accessible.
then I come again to that office.
Yeah, to the table. It's short-term parking. When you come from the main road, you can see these signs saying parking and short-term parking. So you enter from there.
Yeah.
So you can either this level or this. This is
Yeah.
lower level, so the ground level is more easy for you.
Yeah.
Uh, so then after you park, this is the slot number.
Oh,
So
okay.
this slot number and the parking ticket, if you give to us to the counter, it's easy for us to find out where you park.
Okay.
Mostly if I rent a car, I will always film the car condition, all the body parts of the car, and the interior, so I have an evidence if the car company try to charge me because some damage that not based on my fault.
But it's gonna be around this area, right?
Yeah.
It's
You
gonna
can
be-
park anywhere you want.
Alright, this is the car. It's almost full. The gasoline. There you go.
Well, my first destination is heading to Museum of Islamic Arts. It's like one of the famous museum in Qatar that we have to see. All the way up is an entrance gate. If we need to drop out of someone to the lobby, we can use this way. And after drop out someone, we can find a parking area, which is gonna be turn right. But right now, I'm gonna go all the way up and just circling around the lobby. museum surrounded by the beautiful park. Looks like most of sellers over there is not local people. I don't think they are local.
Assalamualaikum. Is it the main entrance of the museum?
Main entrance, just take the elevator, it will take you up and just go straight
Oh,
to the
over there. Okay, thank you.
There is only one gate to enter the museum, which is it's close to the lobby. So keep it on your mind if you want to go there and try to find a lobby first. I read a lot of information about Qatar and I found some article, not some I think, most of article that I read. They said the entrance is totally free, but the reality when I went there, it wasn't free. We need to pay. It was around 50 dirham.
Hello, is it okay if I record you?
Sorry, sir?
Is it fine if I record this?
You want to record the transaction part?
Yeah, so
He's saying he wants to record it. Are you okay with it? He wants to,
yeah.
Okay,
No.
then I will.
So people knows about it. So,
No worries. Okay. So you
so
want to take you would like to have tickets,
I
right?
know nothing.
Okay. Where are you from?
Try to guess.
Malaysia?
No.
Okay. So you're tourist, I believe, right?
Yeah.
So 50 riyal, that's going to be.
Can I pay with card?
Of course you can. Where are you from? Turkey. You are. Would you like to visit the other museums as well, or just this museum?
What kind of museum?
We do have the National Museum of Qatar as well.
I think the famous one in here, right?
The famous one is this one.
Yeah, in here, right?
Yeah.
So just here.
Just here.
So it will be more cheaper, right? You mean if I buy a ticket
The price is 50 here, 50 there. It's just that you don't have to wait in the queue.
from blogger or vlogger? It's
You need-
pretty easy.
You should try in Dubai.
Huh?
In Dubai, especially
Dubai?
in Dubai.
Oh,
Because nowadays in Dubai everyone is doing blogging.
Whoa.
And they are making money. So it's
Yeah.
become a business now in such a way
Yeah.
that Dubai has started issuing license, blogger license.
whoa.
You need to pay 15,000 a year.
Not in here.
Yeah.
In here, not yet.
15,000 dirham a year to get a blogger's license.
Okay. Because
Then
everybody
you
wants
become
to
a
do it,
blogger.
right?
Yes.
Because everybody wants to do it, right?
Everyone wants to
That's
do
right,
it now.
yeah.
Everybody wants to do it.
Because
And
it's
you
easy.
get paid also quite good, you know. Like for example, I have a friend who's a food blogger.
Yeah.
She gets paid 2,000 dirhams or riyal to taste per dish.
Yeah, that's why, man. It's pretty
Making a lot of
easy,
money.
right?
She's
Yeah.
making a lot of money.
Okay, well, thank you so
No
much.
problem,
Have a
sir.
good day.
Thank you, you too.
Well, it's such a good information, but it's also unbelievable for people in Dubai who want to be a blogger or vlogger. They need to make a license. And how people live in the middle of desert before modern era. If they need to travel, they will use a camel all the way up to their destination, just under the sun and moon. I feel really blessed and able to travel without any problem and joyful.